Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing for beginners and the 3-step tutorial. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and start off right now. So before we do get into the 3 steps, I just wanted to let you know that it's not going to be very easy. Like most people fail because they quit too soon. Not because it doesn't work, not because they got the wrong information or anything like that, but because they quit too soon. Because you have to, we're going to talk about this, but you need to get traffic and all these different parts, and it's not easy. At the beginning it's going to be very slow to start, and the beginning is the hardest part. Once you start getting some traction, it all comes together, but at the beginning it's just really slow, and like most people fail just because they quit too soon. And it's a pity because they could have made a huge impact on their lives, on other people's lives, but they quit too soon. So now we're going to get into the 3 steps, but I just wanted to get this out because a lot of people just fail, not because they really failed, but because they quit. So the very first part is you need a product that's going to help a certain category of people. So maybe you're into fitness, for example, and you have this product that's going to help people exercise. You know, this training program where they have all these exercises, maybe it's an app or something, and they just have these things that they can do every single day to exercise. Or maybe it's to lose weight, something else to lose weight, maybe it's something completely different. But you need to have a product that's going to help a certain category of people. So that's the very first thing. Pick a product in a niche that you actually enjoy, that you know something about. You don't need to be a big expert or anything like that, but you need to know something about it. You need to be knowledgeable, you need to know about it, and you need to be passionate about it. So make sure that you pick that product right, because it's going to be very important. Next, you need a system, because we're going to get some traffic on here, but if you don't have any systems, it's going to be very hard to actually like make some conversions and make the people buy the product. So you need a system, and what I mean by a system is going from having no one to having someone that is a potential buyer, to making them like into their emails and things like that to be interested, and then actually buying the product. And maybe it's something that's going to last for a long time, because some of these affiliate programs, they have something where they pay you monthly. So if you have one of these, it's just like getting someone and then just selling them once, and then they just continue to pay every single month. So if you have a subscription product, that is a very good way to do it. So you need a system. So the system could be this. You need to first get some traffic. So there's a free way to get some traffic, and there's another way to get some traffic. So this is, on my computer I wrote 2 points, so there you go. You've got the 2 points is to make a system and get the right traffic. So getting the right traffic is very important, because you can't just take any traffic and walk to your neighbors and say, I've got this great product that's going to help you like lose weight, and your neighbors aren't overweight. Or I'm going to make you earn a bunch of money. You could earn like 10,000 bucks a month, and they're making 1 million a month. Or, you know, all sorts of different things like that. And these are just some crazy examples, but this is what you have to do. You have to focus on getting the right traffic. So one way is getting paid traffic, and that I suggest you do only if you have some money to spend, because at the beginning you're actually going to lose some money. But most people do not have some ad budget, because you're just starting out, you're a beginner, and you're not going to spend some money. So there are some other ways to do this. One is to do exactly what I'm doing now, and that is to build a YouTube channel, to make some videos about something around your product or something that you're passionate about, and you just need to make some videos that will actually help people, maybe help them to lose weight, because we talked about this. That's a huge market, helping people to get more fit. Maybe it's not to lose weight, maybe it's to have more energy. It all depends on what you want to do, but you have to choose your niche and make something about it. So one is to build a YouTube channel, another one is to build a blog. So many people want to do this, and that actually works. You can build a blog and get some traffic that way. So it does cost you a little bit of money, but it's not a lot at all. So building a blog and building a YouTube channel, I believe, are the two best ones, because once you create that blog post or that YouTube video, people can watch it like a year from now, 3 years from now, it doesn't matter. But there are some other ways which I believe, if you want to make passive income, are not quite as good, because you have to post consistently, like Instagram, it's very rare that you find a photo or video that is over like 3 days old, and that's kind of a fact that just happens. And unless you're looking for it, because the photo or the video will still be up there, unless you look for it, it's going to be very hard to find it. So Instagram, you can do that, it absolutely works, but you have to know that you have to spend a lot of time to make some sales, and it's very manual. Another one is Facebook. There are a ton of people creating Facebook groups, and these actually work as well. So Facebook groups are things that actually work as well. So these work, but I really suggest that you build either a YouTube channel or a blog if you want to make passive income. So that's the first part of the system. That is how you're going to get some traffic, because you're going to be consistent with it. You're going to post all the time. For me, I post every single day, and that's probably the best way to do it. If you can't post every single day, you can still make it, but you really do have to be consistent. And don't think about posting once a month, because that's no point, like, don't even start. So you're getting the traffic now. And what you do is you want to build an email list from there. So you tell people that they can click in the link in your description, and that way they can get something for free. Maybe it's an ebook, a free course, something like that. And they enter the email, and then you send them to the offer. So you do have to build a bridge page for this, and I made a video about this. You just talk about the product itself. Don't just send them straight to the sales page, because most likely people will not buy. But if you say, okay, I've got this great product, there's this person that's going to talk about it, it does this, this and this, but I'll let him talk, and then you send them to the sales page, and that's where the person that has the company or that's talking for the company will be selling the product. So they'll be talking, and it's just kind of a nice bridge, because otherwise people would just be really confused on what you're doing. So that is a very good way to do it. If you don't do this, chances are you will lose your client. So that's in a nutshell what you have to do. You need to have a good product, because otherwise nobody will care. You have to bring the right traffic, and you need to have a proper system to actually get them through and to buy. So that's kind of the 3-step tutorial on how to make affiliate marketing. I can go way more in depth. In fact, I've made a ton of other videos, so you can watch these as well. So that was my video for today. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit that notification bell. Make sure you check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.